vlog today a little bit later. Someone was asking me where this chair is from. This is from Walmart, and it's a you know the Target chair that's like $500. This was like three, but I got a discount off of it because it didn't have screws, so I had to find my own screws to put it together. So that's where I got that chair from. Good morning, guys. Good morning. I'm still in bed. It's almost 12 o'clock. And I am trying to beat depression, to be honest, You guys know I'm a very transparent person. And I try to be honest with you guys, but I've been struggling for the past, I'd say a couple months now. I've been struggling, and the only thing that like gives me motivation is like doing videos. Like I get excited to edit, and I've been struggling really, really bad, and I figured I would just go ahead and start the video. Right now it's raining, and that even makes it even worse because the sun is not out, and I pull energy from the sun. If the sun is not nowhere to be found, it's harder for me to get up and function. But Madison has speech therapy in about an hour and a half. So I have to get up and get dressed and get her dressed, and because she's still not, she's not dressed. She's not dressed. She's not even ready. The twins have online classes, but they're fine. They know how to navigate, their classes and stuff. And I'm grateful for them for being that way because, yeah. But anyways, I'm gonna get up, and I haven't even taken out dinner yet. So yeah. But anyways, I'm going to try to make the best of what's left of this day, and I'm going to take you guys along with me. Hey guys, so hubby volunteered to pick up the kids for me from school, and I am just straightening up before he gets home. I washed my hair. I was able to wash my hair, take a shower, nair, all that fun stuff. I'm about to put on a sports bra and go to the gym and just go take care of me, you know what I mean? Just go take care of me. Rob is coming with me, and then after that we're gonna come back and do dinner, homework, and all that fun stuff. But for right now, I need to go take care of me. So I'll probably do 1 hour at the gym. I'm trying to work on my back and also my arms, because that's where I gain weight, is in my arms, and that's the hardest place to lose weight, is in my arms. So I'm gonna go work on that, probably do some cardio, and hopefully I feel better, because if I feel better, I look better, and if I look better, I feel better. It all goes hand in hand. But anyways, I'm gonna talk to y'all in a little bit. Good morning, guys. So I'm at Target, and they have all their Christmas stuff out for the Heart in Hand, and I've been waiting for, I'm gonna show you guys. I love this one. I love that. These trees. It's a tree, 3-pack, and it's $10. And they also have these little houses. It's a tree and a can. These are $4.99. And then they have this one, and then they have this one. I think I'm gonna pick up 2, either 2 or 1, because I don't think there's anything else here that I want from this collection for Christmas. So I'm gonna show you guys what I get. I end up getting, I love this wreath. It's $24.99. This stocking is so cute. Homemade hot cocoa. Definitely getting this. Because if you know, I have the other one. So I'm definitely getting this one. These are cute. I don't know. I think they're coasters, yeah. $10 for a set of 4. Oh, these are cute. I like these. I think I'm gonna get one of these. How much? This is $10. But it only has a set of, it's only 2 in here. The other one that I have, I feel like it's 3, but I think it's 2. It could be 2. I don't know. I like this. I like this, but I don't know if I'm going for this color this year. Oh, these are cute. That's cute. This one is cute. I like that. This is $12.99. A little pricey. What is this? These are flower socks, kitchen towel. $3.99. Not bad. These little kids tree set. It's cute. This is cute. This is cute. I like this. Let's see how overpriced it is. It's $20. Not bad. Not bad. Then down here, I like this little pillow that says Mary. And of course the days until Christmas. I like this. Let's see how much it is. $30. I don't know. I don't know if I can spend that much on one item right now. This is cute. This is cute. I like this. Still haven't figured out what I'm doing for my centerpiece, but I like that. I like these little candle holders. They have a set back there for $25 from the other. These are cute. I like these. I still haven't decided what I want. Pretty sure by the time I do, it's gonna be all gone. But this is all my Target has. Okay, so we're all done. Well, I'm all done with Target. I spent $42. My budget was $50. Now I'm gonna go to Hobby Lobby, and then come back over here to TJ Maxx, Bath and Body Works, because I have a coupon, and I don't need anything from Bath and Body Works, but the husband said to treat myself today, so I'm going to. And I took my ring off. Was it yesterday? Because I worked out at the gym, and I need to get some gloves for lifting weight at the gym because I'm getting calluses, so I had to take my wedding band off. So don't come asking me what's wrong, where's my ring, okay? Anyways, so I want to go to Walmart because I need to get some sports bra, and Target sports bra, they wanted way too much money for one sports bra, like $25. No, I can go on Shein and get sports bra for like $3. Not doing that. So I want to go to TJ Maxx to see if they have this toot right here is hurting me. That's why I'm talking like this. I can't really bite down too much on it. I don't know what's wrong with it, but I'm gonna go to Hobby Lobby, see what they have for Christmas, because you know your girl love Christmas. I have a ton of stuff in the basement. I have to go in the basement and organize all that stuff in the basement and see what I need or lack. I don't like anything, to be honest. I probably need to donate some stuff because I just spent $40 on Christmas stuff, just Christmas stuff. And that's about it. And then I have to pick up the kids early today because today's an early day for them, because it's Friday. So it's 9 o'clock right now, so 10, 11. I have two hours and some change to get all of this done, so let's do it. Just finished Hobby Lobby, and I spent $34 at Hobby Lobby. Not bad. Not bad if you ask me. I'm slowly getting my theme, my color scheme together. It's cold today. Oh, it's really cold today. So, I wasn't gonna go to Walmart, but since I'm right here, I'm just gonna go ahead and go to Walmart and go see if they have sports bra. I need to put gas, and then I need to go back that way. It's 9:35, so time. So I am 34 miles to empty, and I do. Oh, look at the little squirrel! I do this all the time, So I still have. I don't even have to put gas today. I can let Rob put gas tomorrow when we go out and about. What's your plan? We're gonna go to Ross. It's right next door to Walmart. Like, I'm gonna turn the camera around and show you guys. They're now open. For the longest time, they were under construction, and now they're open. So I'm gonna go to Ross. I might go to Walmart. I don't know, but they're open. Let's go inside. So you see Walmart right there, and Ross is right here. Okay, so I just finished Ross. I did a little damage in there. I messaged Rob. I was like, I'm out here spending your coins. He was like, what coins? I got stacks on stacks. I'm like, whatever. But I'm gonna go to Walmart, even though I think I spent way too much money today. I think I'm over $300 so far. But right here, I'm gonna go to Walmart and see what they have. And then later on, Rob is supposed to take me on a date, and I'm still going to spend even more of his money. And I'm hungry. It's 10:46. I pick up the kids at 12. Their school is like 2 minutes away, so I don't think I'm gonna go home. I think I'm gonna go to Walmart, walk around, pick up some lunch for them, and then go back home. Okay guys, so this is all the stuff that I bought from Target and Hobby Lobby. So let me show you Target stuff. I went ahead and picked up this little house with a candle situation. This is from, excuse me, this is for my center tape, my centerpiece on my coffee table. I got this 2-pack of White Houses. This was $5. This was $10. This was $1. That's the only thing I got from the dollar spot along with this. I don't need anything else. Then from the Heart and Hand collection, I just went ahead and picked up 2 trees. I got this one in this pot, and then this one in this pot. They're the same color. And then I got these. This is the reason why I went. It's overpriced. It was $10, but I love them. And this thing that says homemade hot cocoa. This was $3.99. That's all I got from Target. Then from Hobby Lobby, I picked up this sign that says Merry Christmas. This was $5.99, I believe. So $3, 50% off. And then I got this little lantern situation. This was $4.99. I got 2 houses for my tea tray. These were $4.99, so I got 2. I always buy in pairs. And then I got 4 picks. I love these picks. And I might go back and get some more. And then I got some longer floral picks. I love these. These were $4.99, so I just went ahead and got 4. And then these, I love these. And I can't believe the price on it. It was only $5.99. So I just got 2. And I just love them. I think they're so stinking cute. I'm cleaning up my storage basement. I keep all my Christmas in here. All my off-season decor. But it's just a mess. So I started making piles. These are pillows that I no longer use. More Christmas. Entertainment stuff. Random pillow covers. Spring. More random stuff. Christmas. So I just need to clean up this basement. Maddie still fits in her baby seat.
I can't pick her up because it leans forward.
It is so dirty.
I told you.
Super dirty.
Are you gonna sell it?
If I'm gonna sell it,
Yeah.
I can't get rid of it. It just has memories that I just
Oh, that's $60.
can't get rid of it. Found some random stuff in this box. I need to go through this box. I like the sign. I rarely ever use it. A lot of stuff here I need to get rid of because I'm not using it. Okay, so it's way past, I don't know how long. Rob is home. He's making me, we were supposed to go out on a date, and he decided he was going to cook for me and take me to Walmart to shop, even though I already went out and shopped. He took me back to do some returns because some of the stuff that I got I didn't really like once I got home and tried it on. Because you know you can't try stuff on in the store, so you have to come home, see if it fits, see if you like it. And I didn't like it, so I brought back a whole bunch of stuff. I kept, I think, like 4 items out of what I got. So he took me to Walmart and I got these comfy PJs. They're like really loungy. Like I can get up and take the kids to school in this and not feel like a bum. Like they're so soft, and it says cuddles and coffee. And these were $10.99, $9.99 for the top and for the bottom. And then I got Destiny. Let me turn the camera around. Destiny wanted this one, so I got her this one. Even though the pocket looks like mommy's. So you mix and match. So this shirt could wear with hers. And then I got her this one. This was $3 on clearance. So she really likes these. Hey mama girl. You want to say hi to Sunshine today? She's eating her pizza. You want to say hi to Sunshine today?
That's mine. This is hers. No, this is mine. Actually yours.
No, want to say, Madison, you want to say hi? Say hi. Yeah, I'm so mad you don't want to say hi. Rob is prepping meals for the weekend because, you know, it's the weekend and he's in charge of meals. And, yeah. Say hi, Rob. You haven't said hi to Sunshine in a while. I'm about to go get something to drink because I'm like extremely thirsty and I have a headache. So I'm going to go get something for my headache. And I'll see you guys in tomorrow's vlog. Bye, guys.